hope you're having a great day. It just got done raining, so I've been out here for about 3 hours and I harvested all of my flowers, so I'll show some pictures of that. I got a lot of yarrow today. I got about 60 stems of yarrow. Yay, I'm so excited. And then I had about 50 stems of lupine. So right there is like 110 stems of stuff. So that was super exciting. And then I cut about 20 snapdragons. And then just some little stuff like the baby's breath and things like that I was also able to snag. So it was a great day of harvesting. I think my florist is going to be really happy with all of their flowers. They're so pretty, and I'm really excited about it. So I haven't been taking the time to do my hair or anything. I don't think that will bother most gardeners. But oh my gosh, I wish I could somehow send you what it feels like in Iowa today. We're under like an excessive heat warning, and right now it is 79 degrees and it probably feels like 100. I feel like I'm in water. Like the air is so heavy that I can just feel like, I'm in water. It's insane. So it's going to be a really hot day. I'm going to go deliver this to the florist, and I am going to get a bunch of water, and I'm going to come out and I'm just going to take it easy. I'm not going to try to weed like I normally do and move really fast, because I just don't want to get any heat exhaustion or anything like that. That doesn't feel good. But I think I'll just kind of, you know, sit down next to a row and pluck out weeds and just scooch my way down and just try to get maybe one of these long rows weeded this morning, and then maybe a little bit into the afternoon. And then when the heat really hits, it says 93 degrees. So 93 doesn't maybe sound that bad, but it is so humid. I should look up the humidity level. I'll try to do that and post it on the screen. So then it's just really heavy and it gets harder to breathe. So I think I will just try to kind of go through and weed, take it easy, drink a lot of water and get that done, and just be excited for the rest of my flowers. Yay! I do see my Lysianthus. Like last year I didn't get any until the fall, but I think I'm seeing buds. So I might have Lysianthus soon. Super excited. So here are the Lysianthus I'm talking about. I'm thinking I'm seeing some buds on top of them. I'm so excited. My ageratum's getting taller. This heat is probably going to just zap a lot of plants into getting taller. And the season hopefully will just start getting crazy. Okay, this was supposed to be snow on the mountain euphorbia, I believe. And then I saw some in my friend's yard and it was totally different than this. So I don't really know what to do with it. Is this it? Do I just cut off one little stem and that's all I get? I'm so sad that it didn't do better, because look at this. It's gorgeous. I'm just hoping that I get more than just that one little stem. Oh my gosh! Earlier it was a bud and now it's a flower. The very first zinnia of the season. It looks dinky. Probably because it just needs deadheaded. Look at that. It's still wiggly. I don't know. It's so little. It's supposed to be bigger. That is so exciting. Oh, look at this. And another bud. Oh, the zinnias like the heat. My mahogany splendor hibiscus. I actually cut some of it short to show my florist today. I gave them a little bunch of shorties. The zinnias. Yay. Check my cosmos and they don't have any buds yet, but they're coming. And look at the height my sunflowers are getting on them. They sprouted fast. Well, the current feels like is now at 103 degrees, so I'm back at home. But that was exciting to see all of my plants. I got almost an entire row weeded in the 140-foot row and thought I would call it good. And I actually am glad that I did, because I came home and I did some bulb orders, and I got a lot of stuff that I needed to get done that is like paperwork inside that I haven't done yet. So yay! So I had a good harvest, got some weeds out of my field, and now the heat is making my flowers grow. That's about it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day.